Shopify Liquid is the templating language created by Shopify to dynamically output objects and their properties within Shopify themes. It's used to insert dynamic content into groups of pages with shared properties such as products, blog posts, and product collections via template files. Let's take, for example, a store with 100 products. Typically, each product page has the same structure and features. Therefore, we use a product page template to write the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and then use Shopify Liquid to swap out the variable contents that differ for each product. Using Liquid, we can also access array properties, write conditionals, or directly alter the content coming through with what's called filters. Liquid code needs to be written into files with a .liquid extension and can only be run within the Shopify environment. You can think of these Liquid files as HTML files, but with the ability to insert Liquid code. If we simply want to output a property without any logic, we use a double set of opening and closing curly brackets. The rest of the time, however, we break into Liquid using opening and closing tags like such with the curly bracket and the percentage sign. Finally, if we want to write logic over multiple lines, we write the word liquid after the initial curly bracket and percentage sign. For writing logic, conditionals and loops are the most common patterns. We can assign a value, whether it's modified via a filter or not, to a variable using the assign keyword. In this example, we're converting a comma-separated list into an array that we can now loop through using a liquid for loop, and within each iteration, we can insert a conditional to treat certain items differently. Logic tags always start with the curly bracket and percentage sign followed by the keyword, which indicates what kind of tag it is. In the case of conditionals and loops, we need to both open the tag and close it, surrounding the code to be run under that certain condition or loop iteration. If you'd like to learn more about Shopify Liquid, you can check out my 50-minute crash course for free here on my YouTube channel, or head to shopifythemedeveloper.com to check out my 4+ hour course on the subject. Happy coding, and thank you to Fireship for the inspiration for this video.